Yeah, hi, Knappo from KnappoKnives here. A couple of things. First, I would just want to show you, this is my carry method for my WE-RMOR Friction Folder. This is a Knife Dog's 3-inch case, I think it is. But I carry this on my side a lot. You see it's got the loops on the back here. Cool little case. Works really well. But anyway, that's the first half of this video. The second half is just quickly, I'll make it really short and sweet. This is one of my WE-RMOR models. This is one of my favourite ones actually. And I just sharpened this on my EdgePro. I want to show you how sharp I got it. I reckon this has got to be one of my sharpest knives. But I'll just show you. It's scary sharp, man. You see that? It's just scary sharp, man. I'll try and stay in focus for you. See that? Getting a few good scallops out of there. Look at that. Oh. Look at that, it even cut partially inside the paper there. I'll just do one more here. Look at that. Really happy how this turned out. Scary sharp. Anyway, thanks for listening. See you later.